Welcome back to our Autodesk Inventor series. In our previous video, we learned how to get started with the interface and navigation. If you haven't watched that, I highly recommend you check it out before continuing. Today, we're diving into one of the most important foundations of 3D modeling, sketching, and the extrude feature. To begin, click on Start 2D Sketch from the toolbar. You'll then need to select a plane for starters. Let's go with the XY plane. Now we're in sketch mode. You'll notice the sketch toolbar appear at the top. Move your mouse over the rectangle icon. A tooltip appears with a description, and at the bottom of the screen, you'll also see help text. Click once with the left mouse button to activate the command. Want more types of rectangles? Click the drop-down arrow to select options like center point or 3-point rectangles. While sketching, Inventor automatically applies constraints like horizontal, parallel, and perpendicular to keep geometry aligned. You'll see tiny symbols show up as you draw. Let's add or change a dimension. Click the Smart Dimension icon or simply hit the D key. Then, click on an edge or between two lines to add or adjust measurements. Once you're satisfied with your sketch, click Finish Sketch from the ribbon to exit the 2D sketch mode. Now let's turn that sketch into a 3D object. In the 3D Model tab, click on the Extrude icon. In the pop-up box, enter your desired depth, in our case it is 40 mm, and click OK. Boom! You've created your first solid body. Let's now create a cut feature. Again, click Start 2D Sketch and this time choose a face of the solid we just made. Draw another shape, like a rectangle, on that face. Finish the sketch. Now select Extrude, but this time, change the operation from join to cut in the output list. Set the Extents option to Through All to ensure it cuts completely. Press OK. And just like that, you've subtracted material using Extrude. Now that we've covered the basics of sketching using Extrude, it's time for our first project. You're going to create a simple USB flash drive. Don't worry about perfect dimensions, this is about practicing the tools we just learned. The goal is to get comfortable with creating and modifying shapes. Once you have your final sketch, take a screenshot and post it in the comments below. I can't wait to see your work. If you have questions, leave a comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to get notified for our next lesson, which is all about the revolve feature. See you in the next one.